G'day, legends! Welcome back to My Name is Health. Meet Mr. Kidney, your body's ultimate filtration master. He's the hardest working bloke in your belly, pulling levers and sorting out the rubbish 24/7. Sweating it out every single day so you don't turn into a walking, talking swamp, mate. G'day, legends! Welcome back to My Name is Health. Meet Mr. Kidney, your body's ultimate filtration master. But wait a minute, what in the world is that terrifying rumbling sound coming from up above? Red alert! Red alert! The Renal Factory is going into absolute meltdown mode! Grab your hard hats! Oh, no, you didn't. Did you seriously just smash a giant midnight bowl of salty instant noodles? Incoming! A massive tidal wave of cheap broth, MSG and pure salt is flooding the entire system! Gross! Poor Mr. Kidney is absolutely copping it! That is pure salty sludge right there, mate! Wait, the salt is crystallizing! It's clumping together from all those nasty little flavor packets! Crikey, it's the sodium monster, born straight from the depths of your bad dietary choices. Mr. Kidney is absolutely terrified. This bloke is pure evil and spiky as heck. He's completely trashing the factory. The sodium levels in here are going absolutely off the charts. But Mr. Kidney won't go down without a fight. Oi, back off my tubes, you salty drongo. Oh no, the monster just laughs and starts chucking salt crystals everywhere. This is a total disaster. He's dodging those salty spikes like an absolute ninja, but there's just too many of them coming. Whoa, too many! Crikey, the beast is sucking up all the pure hydration and getting massive. Stop it, you greedy drongo! Come on, mate, push the pressure up to maximum. We gotta flush this bloke straight out of the system. Warning, the main filtration tubes are hitting the red zone. They can't handle this much pressure. The golden conveyor belts are jamming up solid. The salt is sticking together like concrete. Poor Mr. Kidney is sweeping as fast as he can, but it's a completely losing battle against the sodium. Oh no! Hey. The cheeky baited rain train! Warning! The main filter is hitting the red zone! Stand back, everyone! That tube is swelling up like a massive balloon and is about to pop! Look at him, Mr. Kidney is looking absolutely parched, mate. The salt is sucking him completely dry. And there it is, the ultimate nightmare. A jagged, nasty kidney stone is officially forming. He's giving it a red-hot go, but that spiky stone is heavier than a bloody boulder. Look at this villain, just sitting up there laughing at our boy like an absolute galah. Total system failure. The lights are going out. The Renal Factory is officially shutting down. Our hardest worker is down for the count. Is this the end of the line for Mr. Kidney? It breaks your heart to see it, mate. If only the boss would send down something fresh to save him. Treat him right, and he will be your #1 MVP organ for life. What an absolute champion! And this salty gremlin has officially taken over the whole joint, sitting on his rocky throne. He's giving it 110%, but the poor bloke is completely out of juice. Look at the size of that blockage. Nothing is getting past that nasty piece of work. He's giving it 110%, but the poor bloke is completely out of juice. And now they're multiplying. Little salty ankle biters are trashing the golden belts. The whole filtration system is flatlined. It's a total disaster zone in here, legends. Made Mayday, Renal Factory, and read it toes! The whole filtration system is flatlined. It's a total disaster zone in here, legends. But wait, hold your horses. What's that? Is that pure, unadulterated H2O? Mr. Kidney can't even believe his eyes. It's an absolute bloody miracle. Uh-oh, the sodium monster doesn't like the look of that one bit, does he? Boom! Here comes the hydration cavalry, mate. A glorious, massive waterfall of pure water. Mr. Kidney can't even believe his eyes. It's an absolute bloody miracle. Take that, you spiky drongo. The fresh water is making him sizzle like a sausage on the barbie. The factory is powering back up. We've got glowing blue tubes across the board. One sip of that good stuff and he's instantly back in business, looking fresh and glossy. Treat him right, and he will be your #1 MVP organ for life. What an absolute champion. Oh, it is absolutely game on. Mr. Kidney is armed, fully hydrated, and ready for payback. Sweep the leg. He is marching forward and washing away all those nasty little salt minions. Hydration, you salty nut. H2O. Oh, it burns. The monster is melting away like an absolute cheap icy pole in the summer sun. Sweep the leg. Mr. Kidney is marching forward and washing away all those nasty little salt minions. Look at the big bad sodium monster now, shrunk down to a pathetic little puddle of salty tears. Fire Fire in the hole! He's hitting that giant boulder with maximum pressure. Crap! But wait, he's still got to deal with that massive jagged kidney stone blocking the main drain. Fire in the hole! He's hitting that giant boulder with maximum pressure. Crack, crack, boom! Yeah, mate! Absolutely stone is tiny, harmless grains of sand. Just a quick mop up to get rid of the remaining MSG dust, and we are looking squeaky clean.
Right down the gurgler they go now.
Treat him right, and he will be your #1 MVP organ for life. What an absolute champion! Ah, would you look at that? The Renal Factory is back online, vibrant, healthy, and pulsating perfectly. But wait, what's this? A giant slice of lemon just dropped in. Now we're really talking, mate. Bit of fresh citrus magic is exactly what the doctor ordered.
But wait, what's my stuff?
Now we're really talking, mate.
The tubes are absolutely glowing. Lemon water helps prevent those nasty stones from ever forming again.
But don't get too comfy, mate. But Binny found a very serious message for all you noodle smashers out there. But don't get too comfy, mate. He's got a very serious message for all you noodle smashers out there. Look at the stats, mate. Those cheap instant noodles are packed with enough sodium to turn this place into a literal rock quarry. Instead of that salty sludge, chuck some fresh veggies into your gob. Your factory absolutely loves the good stuff. And never ever forget the ultimate lifesaver, pure fresh H2O. It's the best fuel for the job. Just look at that absolute champion up there, sculling a glass of water like a true Aussie hero. Trust me, legends, keeping your internal filtration system active is the ultimate flex.
Why? They can't handle this pressure.
Chuck a bit of lemon in there too. The citrate stops calcium from clumping together like a bad traffic jam. Chuck a bit of lemon in there too. The citrate stops calcium from clumping together like a bad traffic jam. Chuck a bit of lemon in there too. The citrate stops calcium from clumping together like a bad traffic jam. Chuck a bit of lemon in there too. The citrate stops calcium from clumping together like a bad traffic jam. So next time you reach for that extra MSG flavor packet, just remember to hit the brakes. Hard stop! Keep your internal factory clean, and Mr. Kidney will keep you feeling like $1,000,000. Knowledge is power, legends. The more you know about your amazing body, the better you can protect it. Treat him right, and he will be your #1 MVP organ for life. What an absolute champion! Are you ready to make a change today and treat your organs like absolute royalty? Trust me, legends, keeping your internal filtration system hydrated is the ultimate flex. Treat him right, and he will be your #1 MVP organ for life. What an absolute champion! Smash that subscribe button and ring the little golden bell so you never miss another microscopic adventure. Treat him right, and he will be your #1 MVP organ for life. What an absolute champion! Until next time, keep your internal engine running like a dream. You only get one body, so treat it right. Catch you later, mates, because remember, my name is Health.